welcome to a brand new video. In this video, I'm going to be talking about how you can post a job listing on LinkedIn. We go here, we click on me, and then we click on job posting account, and it will ask you to log in. However, I did the login, so you don't need to do it. So what we do is we go and post a free job. So we click on here, and then it will ask us the job title, and it will ask us the company. So I'm just gonna make up a company. So let's say Power Power Grid. So I'll make a company. Power Grid Corporation of India. So this is just a makeup company. If you own the company, don't message me. It's just a makeup. We write the job title, um, Power Grid Worker. You can find the workplace type. You can either choose remote, hybrid, on-site, and it will ask you the job location. I will choose the location of my office, which is Richardson, and get started for free. And it will ask us the skills that we need. Also, we have to include some responsibilities that are associated with the task. So let's just make up things. You have to work 8 hours a day. Qualifications might be like you gotta like require some coding skills. Must be able to read some data at least. And tips of the role, you will be managing the power grid, which will operate from 10 to 10 p.m. And the skills that we need are electrics. So we'll just click on add skills and add on LinkedIn. Um, and basically you click on next and it will ask you some different questions and you will be able to submit your job posting. So this was it for this video. Thank you all so much for watching. Don't forget to like and subscribe and see you guys in the next video.